Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss what is workflow in Dynamics 365. If you have heard about the workflow in Dynamics 365 but you are not sure what they actually do, then I'll show you what it is. If I have to explain in simple words, a workflow in Dynamics 365 is an automated process that runs in the background to perform tasks without you having to do them manually. Think of it as a set of rules. If this happens, then do that. For example, if a new lead is created, automatically send them a welcome email. If a case hasn't been updated in 3 days, assign it to a supervisor. Workflows help save time, reduce errors, and make sure processes are consistent every time. If you wonder how the workflows work, so I'll tell you workflows in Dynamic 365 are triggered by events. These events can be when a record is created, when a record is updated, or when a specific condition is met. You can set these events to run in the background or in real time. Background workflows are great for non-urgent tasks, while real-time workflows update immediately. These are perfect for actions that need instant results. If you run a business or you are a part of organization, it has solution for all like HR, marketing, finance, supply chain, accounts, commerce, customer care, anything. You can just simply choose their plan based on your requirement and you can start working on it. Without workflows, you would spend hours doing repetitive tasks. With workflows, Dynamic 365 works for you, making processes faster, reducing mistakes, and giving you more time to focus on strategic work instead of admin. In short, workflows in Dynamics 365 are your automation engine. They let you define rules once and the system takes care of rest. So that's all about the workflows in Dynamics 365. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.